Pihak berkuasa penerbangan awam Malaysia CAAM bersedia menawarkan bantuan kepada pentadbiran penerbangan persekutuan FAA Amerika Syarikat berhubung insiden Palam pintu pesawat Alaska Airlines yang tercabut dan tertera tulisan tangan Made in Malaysia. Menteri Pengangkutan Anthony Loke berkata CAAM telah menghubungi FAA Asia-Pasifik di Singapura selepas pengesahan palam pintu tersebut dibuat di Malaysia oleh Lembaga Keselamatan Pengangkutan Kebangsaan NTSB pada Khamis.
CAAM has reached out to FAA Asia-Pasifik in Singapore to offer our assistance if they need. So they said if they need any assistance, they will come back to us. So as far as that is a component, but that is under the approval of FAA. So even though it is manufactured, I was given a report that yes, it's correct, it's manufactured in Malaysia, but in terms of the approval of the product, it's under FAA. So we have offered what we have done. We have proactively, CAAM has reached out to FAA, Asia-Pacific office in Singapore. So we offered our assistance if we are needed.
Pada Khamis, NTSB sahkan bahawa palang pintu pesawat Alaska Airlines penerbangan 1282 Boeing 737 MAX 9 yang tercabut dikeluarkan di Malaysia. Penerusinya berkata palang pintu itu dikeluarkan oleh Spirit Aerosystem di Malaysia sebelum sampai kepada pembekal Boeing di Wichita, Kansas.